Hey guys, welcome back to Love Heritage Food. Today we are making focaccia, a delicious bread to have for lunch, dinner, as a snack, on its own or as a substitute of the bread. Let's start by saying that there are different variations of focaccia. The one from the north of Italy, Genoa, with the oregano and the olive oil. The one with potatoes, the one with vegetables on top. This focaccia has got cherry tomatoes and olives. You can have it with mortadella or prosciutto on top, it's really up to you. This recipe is originally from the region of Puglia, precisely from the city of Bari. Okay, let's start with the ingredients to make our dough. We need 400 grams of white flour, 10 grams of fresh yeast, 10 grams of salt, olive oil and water 500 milliliters. In a large mixing bowl, pour the flour and make some space in the center for our yeast. Now mix the yeast with some warm water, and once it's dissolved, add it into the flour. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And now let's start kneading the dough. Add slowly the water to absorb the whole flour. Now just be careful to don't add too much water. If you do by mistake, you just need to add a little bit more of flour. So let's add salt. And let's keep kneading our dough from the bottom to the top until you have a smooth and soft dough. A little trick: if you start to see bubbles, it means that the dough is ready. You see, like these little bubbles here. Now that our dough is ready, cover it to rise. You can use the lid or the film and a kitchen towel to keep it warm. Leave it for 1 hour and a half in the summer, whereas in the winter for 2 hours. And a little trick, wrap it with a blanket instead of the kitchen towel. Wow, our dough is ready. Look, has raised the double of its original volume. Okay, so now use a thin non-stick oven tray. The one that we are using has got 30 centimeters diameter. Pour olive oil into the tray and be generous with that. Now oiling your hand to handle the dough so it doesn't stick to your hand. Stretch the dough to touch the entire border. Right, now we need to add salt, oregano, and spread the seeds of the cherry tomatoes everywhere on the focaccia, so we get that red color. We now add the olives. And at the end, a generous quantity of olive oil. Okay, let's leave the focaccia for 10 minutes to settle, and then we can bake it in a preheating oven at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. Let's check if the bottom is well cooked. Yes, it is, so we can move it to the top to grill for the last few minutes. Here we have the focaccia is ready. Look, so yummy. Look at this. What you want is a crispy bottom and top and a spongy soft middle. Well, it looks delicious, guys. Buon appetito! Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of these recipes. See you next Saturday!